Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Fat Guy Fixer Upper. So on today's episode, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. You see, winter's coming to an end. Spring's about 3 weeks away. Today, it's almost 40 degrees out, and everything is starting to melt finally. So I decided for today's show, I'll go around and show you what I plan to accomplish over the spring and summer months. So stay tuned and enjoy the show. So my first goal for this summer of 2026 or spring or whatever you want to call it, I'm going to be taking out these trees right here and clearing out this area. I might even work on it after I shoot this video. Who knows? The snow is still about 3 inches deep here, so it might hinder my progress a little, but let's go on to the next spot. This is more like an honorable mention. Because I'm probably not going to work on this area this summer. I'm not sure yet. I might, depending on how things go. But if I have time, I'll be clearing out all the remaining stuff here. And then I'll be picking up the garbage over there. And then if I have time still, I'll be also pouring some stone here so that camper can be backed up against the building. So that way I can mount a camera finally that'll aim dead straight down the middle of the driveway. So I'm hoping to do that this summer, but it's probably not likely going to happen because I got all the other things I'm planning on doing. But anyways, moving on to the next section. Well, as you guys can hear, birds are chirping like crazy just because it's getting warm out. Well, anyways, if you look here, all these small trees right here, all around this tree, and maybe even further back in, all the small stuff, I want to cut that out. So that way it clears up the yard. In the future, unfortunately, it won't be this summer, I'll be doing this entire area, cleaning it up, making it look nice. But at least for this, the summer of 2026 or spring, I want to clear out all the small stuff. That way it makes it look a lot better. So this will be my second goal for the summer or spring of 2026. On to the next section. All right, guys. So my next goal, I guess this will be goal number 3, but also the main goal for the summer right here, to clear all this out, all the way down, to make it a nice grass area. They got all kinds of weeds, bad trees. They're growing up in the power lines, all kinds of horrible stuff. It's like 25 years overdue for clearing out. This will be my main goal for the summer. So with that being said, we're moving on to goal number 4. The next area number 4, all from beginning of the woods all the way down the driveway, I'm going to be clearing out all the small broken limbs, the small trees. We'll be cutting up that big tree right there. I'm just going to clear out the sides along the driveway to make it look wider. And maybe I'll even do this area here. There's a bunch of smaller bushes and stuff. I might even clean that out as well. Not sure yet. But this is going to be area number 4 goal for summer 2026. All right, so goal number 5, which might be goal number 3, who knows, because it's not going to be that hard to do, but I still have yet to finish this porch from last year. It needs 8 more boards to finish the rest of the deck, and then I also have to build a set of stairs. And if you notice, there's a big gap between the porch and the door. So I need to build a box or like a smaller deck that goes underneath the door to make it level, and then some stairs going down. So I'll probably be doing that as goal number 5, or maybe even sooner. Now let's go to goal 6. So the fat guy curse strikes again. For some reason, the phone just automatically stops recording again for whatever reason. Something with Samsung's phones just randomly stopped recording. No reason at all, even though there's plenty of space. But anyways, goal number 6 is going to be clearing out all this stuff right here you see. All the junk. This is going to be the hardest thing I'll be doing this summer. And honestly, I don't even know if I'll get it done because there'll be so much work to do. But my plan is to get these cars towed to the scrapyard. We'll be cutting down a bunch of trees in here. There used to be a parking area inside these woods, that we stored trailers and other stuff in the woods for parking. Well, over the years, we stopped using it and trees grew in and took the place of the parking area. So I'm going to cut all those trees out, clear all those out, and then these trailers, I'll put the trailers back in there. I may or may not sell this thing. Don't know yet because it's just sitting there not used forever. And then, so that way, come next year, this collapsing garage over here, we'll start tearing that down. So this is going to be the hardest goal for 2026. So on to our final goal for the year. Let's get going. All right, so here it is. The final 7th main goal of 2026 to get done before winter hits this year is I'm going to clean up this entire area and build a new deck starting from here all the way across, possibly to the end of the house. And that's going to be a ton of work. Almost as bad as working on that garage over there. But I will probably it's more likely I'll get this finished before I actually ever get to work on the garage finish. So this will be the 7th goal for this year. And when it's done, it'll probably look really nice because look at this crap. It's just garbage, stuff everywhere. It's been needing to be taken care of for a long time. And this year, I'm going to get it done. So, that being said, I'll need you guys' support. Hit like and subscribe to give me encouragement to get this done. Say a few prayers for me because I'm going to need it. So, see you in the future episodes of 2026. Later.